Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. What are we making this morning? We're going to make a pizza puff. So what I'm doing right now is just grounding the ground beef. So use whatever seasoning you like to season your ground beef. Okay, you season that. So I have some accent, garlic, onion powder, Italian season, paprika. So I have all those. Okay. So I have that. We cook the ground beef till the ground beef is done. Then I need to get my ragu sauce. We're going to drain the oil out. And this is going to be the pizza crust that we're going to use to make pizza puff. And we're going to do it in the air fryer, okay? So I'm about to drain the oil out of the ground beef. So, yeah, that's what we're making. We're having a homemade pizza puff today. All right, guys. I want to tell y'all this. What happened? So I went to go run some errands. And as I went to go run the errands, somebody rings the doorbell. And when they ring the doorbell, I'm finna drain this. I'll be over here. When they ring the doorbell, guys, I answer the door. And it's this white guy on a hoverboard, right? Hold on, you know, I need some. Hold on. Hold on. Gotta get the oil out. There you go. So it's this white guy. He's on a hoverboard, right? And he tells me that he is with pest control, okay? And he could do pest control really, really cheap, right? So I'm sitting there like, you with pest control, you could do pest control really, really cheap. Mind you, these are townhomes, so a lot of times it'd be no soliciting. You get what I'm saying? It's not like it's a house, a townhouse. So in each community, a lot of times it'd be no soliciting because the landlords that own these things, they do their own pest control. So you wouldn't have to hire pest control, you know. The pest control. You tell them if you got a problem, they come. But the craziest things, he on a damn hoverboard. I'm like, what the hell? Who come? Where you? And he on a hoverboard with a tablet. I'm like, and if you is pest control, you on a fucking hoverboard with a goddamn tablet? With his head all the way down, your head pulled down. I don't know, it just be strange. And when I wind up coming home, I see him on the main road on his hoverboard. And I'm like, what the hell is really going on? Like, these people, like, you got to be careful. Because these people will find any reason to get up in your home and try to hurt you. So you can't be too laxy-daisy and trusting this stuff. I told him, no, you don't got to come back. Tell me when you going to be home. I'm going to come back. Come back for what? I said, no, management takes care of that. So you don't have to come back. Management does all of their own stuff. Okay? So, no, thank you. You not got to come back. So, yeah, you just make the meat. Okay? Have it seasoned well. Put a little bit more of this garlic herb seasoning in there for the pizza puff. So then the last thing we're going to do is roll it. And then we put it in the air fryer and let it do what it do. So, I might, you know what? I just got the meat ready. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm not ready to eat. And a lot of times, when I do a lot of my stuff and I'm not ready to eat, it's not as fresh as I wanted. I got to reheat it. So at least we'll have the ground beef ready. Okay, the ground beef will be ready. And when we get ready to roll the pizza rolls, then we'll come back. But y'all have a happy Wednesday. Be careful. Watch who you open these doors for because I'm like, huh? You here to do pest control, but he on a fucking hoverboard. I see him on the camera. He on a hoverboard with a damn tablet. If you don't get your ass away from this stuff, yeah, it's gonna be pest control, and it's gonna be you getting control. Hey y'all, you've been tossing and turning and sleeping late. Sit around all down day long. Okay, let me quit playing. Okay, so we got the piece of dough ready, and we're gonna take the ground beef, and it's already been cooked. Okay. Okay. We're gonna take the mozzarella. We're making a pizza roll. Not pizza roll. What is it? What is these things called? Pizza puff. It ain't a pizza roll. It's a pizza puff. Okay. So we're gonna fold that over. Fold it over. And we're gonna get this off. Probably shouldn't have cut that off, huh? Probably should have rolled it over. Huh? Probably should have. Should have known better. Let's see. We can. Because what's happening is the meat is oozing out. Okay? Just get it like that, okay? You don't want to do too much squeezing, okay? We got that oven going, okay? So we're gonna make a pizza puff. That's what it's called. I call it a pizza roll. Pizza puff. We're gonna let that roll do. So when y'all be watching my little channel, I'm majority always in the house, y'all. So that's why y'all will see me with these dresses on repeat. We gotta be comfortable, okay? We gotta be comfortable. So you gotta be comfortable. That's what you do, okay? You make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. So I love the Chicago style pizza puff. So, but I used to can get them from, where do I used to get them from? I believe that it was like is that a Sam's Club? I'm not for sure. Okay. So I'm trying to make sure that I get it where it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, where the stuff don't fall out. I'm not trying to do it right at the end, because I notice if I do it right at the end, it seems like the stuff fall out. So we don't want the ingredients to fall out. You see, when I cut it, the ingredients be falling out. So we're going to put this one in there too. So to me, this is better than frying them. They're not the best looking, but hey, I gotta get better with that. They ain't the best looking, but hopefully this one, I might make this one better. So, okay, y'all. Let me get this rolled up. And I'll probably get this one. This one will be the best one. Save the best for last. Okay, so my pizza puffs is ready. They ain't the prettiest, okay? But they sure gonna be good. So this is one of them. And this is how it turned out. So it's too big to eat. Too big to eat. Too big to eat. So I have to cut it in half. Y'all see that? So we're gonna eat that. I need some blue cheese. And then this is the other one. Like I say, they ain't the cutest piece of puffs, but hey, they eatable. We're gonna get some blue cheese. Blue cheese, blue cheese, blue cheese. Gucci man, Gucci man, Gucci man. Oh, shit. I like to take some of this blue cheese and put it in there. Okay, we're gonna take one bite. And I told y'all, I'd be embarrassed eating in front of y'all. But in order for y'all to know how something came out, you gotta eat it. I'm gonna give you a piece too, Gina. So we're gonna take a bite. Hi, bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Sit down. You got actual. Sit down and eat it. See? Told you I was gonna look out for you. So, you want to make Chicago-style pizza puff. Get your pizza crust. Do your ground beef. Be a better roller than me. Y'all know I ain't roll that good at all. Okay, I ain't roll that good at all. Yeah. So, we're also going to do a perfume body spray haul today. I should have my deliveries today. So, if you want to make these pizza puffs, make these pizza puffs. Good, 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 good. So, thank y'all for watching. And don't, y'all listen, these dresses that I put on, again, I don't know why I be explaining, because y'all be like, you be having on the same thing. I don't go outside like that. So when I'm in the house, I try to be as comfortable as I can. So I find little dresses, my robe in the morning. And to be honest, my robe is a comfort thing. So if anybody been watching me for years, my robe is a comfort thing. Like I have on that robe and it's fuzzy and the air conditioner is on. So the house is always kind of cold. But that robe is a comforter for me. So that's what it is. Thank y'all for watching. And that's how you do the pizza puff. Be a better roller than me. And I'll see y'all later. Toodles. Gina.